Hello! Today I will show you how to clean the Electrolux Perfect Care washing machine drain pump filter step by step so that washing machine lasts for years. This is Electrolux EW6F349BSA, but this knowledge can also be used for cleaning drain pump filters on other washing machines. It's time to clean the filter, since it hasn't been cleaned in over a year. Cleaning is very easy. The main thing is to avoid flooding the neighbors. First, remove the front cover, where the filter is located. Then, find a cloth to absorb any moisture and prevent it from reaching your neighbors. You can also tuck the cloth under the washing machine. Next, find a small container to drain the water from the pump filter. Carefully unscrew the filter counterclockwise. Once all the water has drained, you can fully unscrew and remove the filter. Looks like I got lucky. I just found my grandmother's lost diamond. Then use a paper towel or a damp cloth to clean the drain pump tunnel. The next step is to wash the filter under running water. Take a toothbrush. I didn't have one, so I borrowed my grandmother's. Don't forget to put it back afterwards. And don't forget to wash your hands. Trust me, you don't want to eat pizza with unwashed hands. Once the filter is clean, put it back in place and screw it in tightly to ensure there are no leaks during the next wash. Put back the decorative cap, clean the floor, and that's it. You have just saved your grandmother's washing machine from a clogged and damaged drain pump, which could have cost a fortune in repairs, maybe even a diamond. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to motivate me to return my grandmother's diamond. Thank you and good luck!